Kenya produces an average milk yield of 564 kilograms per cow annually, which is extremely low compared to countries like South Africa, who produce over 2,000 kilograms per year. The low productivity is due to low quality fodder, poor feeding regimens, animal disease, and poor animal genetics. The Kenyan industry, dominated by small-scale farmers, is the most developed of the livestock subsectors in Kenya. The East Africa Dairy Development Project is working with farmers, researchers, and other dairy stakeholders.
The East Africa Dairy Development Project, we are currently in the second phase. The first phase ran from 2008 to 2013. It was a 5-year program whose objective or vision was to transform the livelihoods of 179,000 smallholder dairy farmers. It cut across 3 countries, that was Kenya, Rwanda, and Uganda. For Kenya, the target was 110 farmers.
The EADD project is unique and aimed at increasing milk production and raising household incomes through increased ownership of crossbred cows, improving milk collection, and mobilization of farmers, especially women, to form milk producer organizations. This has enabled women farmers to collectively negotiate for milk prices and establish milk cooling plants, thus reducing post-harvest losses. We meet 2 women in the project who have transformed their livelihoods and communal welfare through dairy production. Nora, a dairy farmer in Eldoret, has been able to increase her milk quality and quantity by using climate-smart interventions. She also serves as a director of the Lelchego Women Group, a spin-off of the project. The women group trains women farmers on dairy production, financial management, and investment.
Kwa kazi ya serikali, Ministry of Agriculture, kufanya kazi ya home economics na general agriculture. Ndaretaja kufanya kazi yangu ya kutunza kuku. 2009 Lelchego ikaanzishwa, wakanichukua kusimamia wamama wote kwa division kama chair lady ya maendeleo ya wanawake.
She has 6 improved dairy cows, each producing an average of 12 liters per day. Nora's cows are milked twice a day, with morning milk delivered to the cooling plant established and managed by farmers located less than 4 kilometers away, which has reduced post-harvest losses and milk adulteration by middlemen. The sale of milk through the cooperative provides a continuous stream of cash for Nora and her family, unlike crops, which they harvest only once or twice a year.
Tulikuwa na ng'ombe 15 hivi ya mzee. Tulikuwa tunakama tu kama kilo 8, kilo 6 na hatuna mahali pa kuuzia. Tulikuwa tu unakunywa ama unauza kwa njiani kwa watu wa baiskeli, kwa watu ya barabara tu. Huyo mtu anaweza potea hata siku nyingine, huwezi kuona yeye. Lakini saa hii tumeenda kwa company. Pesa zangu, pesa zetu tunapata kawaida kila mwezi, hatukosi.
Nora was trained on balancing fodder diet, crossbreeding of animals through artificial insemination, and post-milk harvest hygiene.
Hiyo njao ya AI hata saa hii ukiuza moja unapata 60,000, 60,000 ama 90,000. Lakini yangu ya zamani ilikuwa 10,000, 15. Tumeungana pamoja, tumeenda company. Hiyo company inafanya kazi vizuri na hiyo hesabu ya pesa zangu zinalindwa vizuri. Si kama yule ya mtu ya baiskeli.
Rose Koech, a dairy farmer from Bomet, practices a wide range of climate-smart agriculture interventions which she shares with other farmers. She has diversified her farm to include drought-resistant crop varieties, agroforestry, soil and water conservation practices, high-yielding dairy cows, and poultry.
Mimi mkulima, wananiita mixed farmer sababu tuko na vitu nyingi kwa shamba yetu. Tunapanda kila kitu, lakini sana ni ng'ombe.
Through the project, she has intensified her fodder production, use of fodder shrub trees such as Caliandra, receives CSA and agro-advisory messages from various organizations including the Ministry of Agriculture. Rose also trains other women on safe milk production, cow feeding regimes, fodder production, animal health status, and proper use of drug or medicines. The project has brought farmers together and empowered them to start their own producer organizations, which has led to the creation of savings and credit cooperatives.
So far, the products which we are giving out, we have loans which we are giving to farmers, business people, and others. Then secondly, we give them advances to process the end-month payroll.
Integration of farmers into the value chain has allowed milk cost control and profit maximization, benefiting everyone along the value chain: producers, transporters, chilling plant owners, among others. The government has also provided an enabling environment for rural financial services closer to farmers, such as Lelchego Financial Services that farmers use to purchase animal feeds and drugs, as well as AI services.